the notification button. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video is another kinky straight hair video. But as you seen by the previous clip, I was showing y'all how to get how to put on your Upart wig. Now y'all know I had a similar video. I had a synthetic version of this hair. It was a synthetic kinky straight hair video, but I needed something that I could curl, so I went ahead and got another Upart wig kinky straight, which is human hair, and I am very, very satisfied. This hair is really, really full, as you can see, really full. Y'all know I hate thin hair. Really full. Like, this wig is amazing. I didn't know which to get, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do kinky straight, because I don't really wear straight hair like that. But when I wear straight hair, I like to do a hair that has texture to it, and this hair is great. I'm surprised it's just so full on the wig, and I didn't make it myself, so I'm really, really surprised at how good the quality is of this hair. And it doesn't shed. I got some little fake curls in there, but it doesn't shed at all, and it curls really well. I just can't curl with a flat iron, but really, really nice hair. The shipping was really good. It took about 3 days, I think. I believe it was DHL, but I'm not sure. I'll put that information below as well. But the shipping was really good. The company was really nice. I don't have any complaints. I can't even think of one thing to give y'all. I don't have any complaints. I definitely recommend it. So y'all have my word. I recommend this hair. Oh, what I do like, it has combs everywhere. It's a comb right here, a comb right here, a comb right there, combs on the side, and a comb in the back. So the wig is very, very secure. So you don't have to feel uncomfortable. I like that. Look at this. Look how natural. And I don't really wear my real hair out a lot, so it's not really tamed. If you're having issues with keeping it to your real hair to stick down, use some Murray's pomade, because it just, it's not shiny. You don't want to use a shiny edge control. Make sure you use a dull edge control like Murray's pomade to lay your real hair down, but don't overdo it. You don't want your hair to look stuck together. But yeah, y'all, how cute is this? And look at my shirt. If y'all like my shirt, I'll have the information below for my shirt as well. But yeah, so cute. But what else can I say about this hair? I'm actually gonna dye it jet black. I don't know when, and I'm gonna curl it up. I might show y'all, but look on my Instagram if I don't put it on YouTube. It's at the BritneyB. But yeah, really, really nice hair. I'm gonna curl the bottom even though I can't curl for real. I cannot hold the flat iron right when I'm curling. That's the issue. Ooh, hot. Yeah. So pretty. But if you have any questions about this wig, make sure you check out my wig below, and I'll talk to y'all on my next video. Thanks for watching.